If you're in the market for a versatile and compact living space, look no further than this Stealthy box truck conversion that's currently for sale. This vehicle isn't just any ordinary delivery truck, it's been meticulously transformed into a mobile tiny home, boasting a luxurious interior and an impressive amount of storage space that is perfect for long-term travel or an off-grid lifestyle. At first glance, this truck may seem unassuming, its exterior offering little hint of the cozy, well-designed living space inside. That's the beauty of the stealth design. The box truck still looks like a regular commercial vehicle, making it ideal for parking in urban areas or remote spots without drawing attention. Once inside, however, you are greeted with a spacious, homey feel that's perfect for both relaxation and practicality. One of the most striking features of this converted box truck is its spaciousness. The interior is designed to make the most of every square foot, with an open layout that provides an abundance of storage. Whether you're planning to live in it full-time or use it as a weekend getaway, you'll appreciate the clever organization of cabinets, drawers, and shelving throughout. A large L-shaped couch provides seating and additional storage, while the truck also features a kitchen area complete with modern appliances. For those who love to cook, the kitchen in this box truck conversion is sure to impress. Equipped with a sink, stove, oven, and ample counter space, it's ready for anything from a quick meal on the go to full-scale cooking adventures. The bathroom area is equally impressive, offering a separate shower and toilet cubicle, all integrated seamlessly into the compact space. With the addition of solar power and an efficient electrical system, the truck can be used off the grid, providing you with all the comforts of home without the need for constant hookups. The design emphasizes comfort with high-quality materials and thoughtful touches throughout. The wood and leather finishes lend a warm, inviting atmosphere, while strategically placed lighting creates a cozy ambience at night. This box truck not only offers practicality but also style, making it a true home on wheels. Perhaps the most compelling reason to consider this box truck is the storage capacity. Despite its compact nature, this mobile home offers more storage than many traditional RVs or camper vans. This is perfect for those who need to carry a lot of gear or for individuals who live a minimalist lifestyle and want to keep everything organized and easily accessible. The truck is currently available for purchase, making it a unique opportunity for anyone looking to step into the world of mobile living without the long wait time and high cost of custom conversions. Whether you're dreaming of life on the road or need a mobile office space, this Stealthy box truck conversion could be the answer. Its design is as functional as it is beautiful, offering a blend of comfort, convenience, and practicality for anyone ready to hit the road.